early did you wake up today, Raymond?
I had 4 hours of sleep tonight. Was awake like 4:30 to get going as early as possible. We have a 4-hour drive, but we also got the ferries to reach. As you can see, we are on a ferry on our way to Ølen. The ferry goes from Halhjem to Sandvikvåg.
Yeah, it's still very early, 7. I had 2 hours more sleep, I think, than Raymond.
Yeah, I had to make the car ready yesterday, so wasn't entirely ready to go into the trailer, and we had to take lots of parts away from the car. Electrical harness, panels, and stuff that's in the way for the chassis guy to do his cutting and modifications. We have arrived in Ølen to Suldal Billakering. We are going to speak with Ernst. He's going to help us out with our chassis. It's very cold. The temperature here in Ølen is 14, 15 minus degrees in Celsius, 6 or 7 degrees Fahrenheit, but it doesn't keep us from doing racing stuff. So we'll get the car out of the trailer and talk with Ernst and go through the modifications we want to have done. Maybe he got some thoughts and ideas how we should do things. We have delivered the car to Ernst Leifsen. He's the guy who will do the work on the car, the chassis work, and he got lots of good ideas on how to perform things. So really looking forward to this. Very experienced guy. He's done lots of cars in motorsports, lots of roller cage modifications, duty regulations and stuff like that. And one car that catches our eyes is this beautiful Ford Escort Mk2 Rallycross car. What's special about this is the owner is actually paralyzed from the waist and down. So the car is being, as we speak, special built to be used with hand manuals. He will have to do everything just with his hands. Throttle, gear shifts, clutch, everything needs to be done with his bare hands. All controls, all systems has to be custom made, custom built. You can buy equipment for it, but absolutely everything has to be custom fitted for the car, for the person who's going to use it. So it takes time. Everything needs to go in and out, testing like 5 or 6 or 7 times before you're satisfied with how you want things. It's been quite a headache, hasn't it, Ernst?
Quite a headache and manual late nights and a lot of thinking. As you can see, it's a very small car, and it has a lot of original equipment, like 2 chairs and all the rally electronics. And we have to fit, if you see in the car, it controls everything from the steering wheel, but we have compressors, air tags, and pumps behind here. And it's a quite narrow space, as you can see. There have been a lot of work, and we're not quite done yet. We mounted this equipment 2 or 3 years ago, and now he decided he wants a bigger engine. So we used a lot of hours to make space and place for this Millington engine. And this has a dry sump with the oil pump and a tank in the trunk. And the plan now is to make all the hoses for oil and fuel. And maybe in a couple of weeks we can try to start it up. This is the original rally trunk with the fuel pumps, the battery, and the large fuel tank. And now we're gonna fit a new catch tank with high pressure pump and oil tank here for the rise up system.
The plan is set. It's too late to turn back now. He will start chopping tomorrow, so let's cross our fingers that we don't get cold feet now.
Too late. Point of no return.
Yeah, actually, point of no return. So it will be lots of holes in the car tomorrow.
Yeah, you just don't think about it.
Ernst is a really good guy. He got very high knowledge to chassis building, so I'm pretty confident that it's in a safe place.
Yeah, you told that one of your friends said to you that just let him do his thing.
Well, yeah, just tell Ernst, do your thing as you want, and it will be good. The car is delivered. We're back in Bergen. It's been a long drive, 7 to 8 hour drive with the ferries and stuff, and 3 or 4 hours down at the workshop with Ernst. So the car is in good hands. We're back in the workshop. Here's everything that we've been taking out of the car before delivery. Just lots of stuff that might not go back.